So welcome to video number 2, Awakening Dragon. We are in this position, the cat stance. We are turned facing to the left. I have the video switched around, so you should be able to mirror what I'm doing, and you should be facing to the left. So here we are. Right hand is tucked under the dantian, left hand is rolling forward. So here's the moves. That's what we're looking for. The dragon is moving along the line. So that's exactly what it is. We are moving along a line. Let's do the hands first, then we'll do the feet. So here we were. So we're coming up. This hand comes up. So this hand, we talk about a line moving straight down. If this line was going this way, my hand is coming off the line, it's circling around and coming back on line. So off line, on line. It comes off and on. What's happening with that, it allows this elbow to be pulled and then pulled back. So we're stretching this whole shoulder, the elbow is being stretched and pulled back into position. Okay? Very good. So, from this point, we're pulling back. Now, as this arm is coming forward, going off and on line, this hand is being pulled back. And you feel that beautiful stretch across the whole chest, through the shoulders, through both arms. So we're pulling. This elbow is being pulled backwards. This is being pulled forward and backwards. Here. There's one. Now this hand rocks over. It's almost as if you were grabbing a ball and then circling around the ball. Now it comes the other way. This hand is going offline. Back online, feel that beautiful stretch. Roll around the ball. And again, offline, back online. Nice stretch. And then one more time. Offline, online, stretch. And there we have it. We make 4 steps. Now let's do the feet. So we were just here. We're in that cat stance. So what we're going to do is we're turning all of our weight in our direction to the left. It's almost like we're pivoting. The hips, everything turns and faces the left. Then we step forward. The heel is down, the toe is up. And now we're going to pretty radically pivot all the way to the other way. So I'm twisting on my back leg. We step forward. Plant the heel, and then twist. And then one more time, step forward with the right leg, pivot and twist. Looks kind of like a Polish or a Russian folk dance almost, the folk dancers. So here, stepping forward, here, stepping forward, here, stepping forward, here. So that's the feet. Now let's put it all together. So from here. So as we come forward to go offline, we're pulling back. I'm twisting. This twisting line is running all the way down through the arm. Now, as I roll up that ball, I step forward. Then, as I start to twist, this hand is coming back. I'm fully facing the right here. Now again, the ball is we're gonna roll the ball and step. Now we twist to the left, and one more. Twist. So by the end of this, you should be facing towards the right. Let's do it one more time. So we come from here, this posture, we come in, we turn, we settle, we take a breath. So here's the inhale, the exhale. We inhale and we exhale. Turning, facing the right. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Feel that beautiful stretch all the way across. Good. And that is our second portion. Third portion is coming up next.